Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how can you use Instagram pre-made templates for post. The process will be quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, try to post a thing on your Instagram by tapping on the plus sign, which is at the bottom of the screen. Here you don't have to select anything. Simply tap on this option, Templates. From here, choose a template which you want to use for your Instagram post. For an example, I will select this one. I'm tapping on this. First, have a look on this template. I think it's a good one. And if I tap on this option next, which is at the bottom right, there are few requirements. Select 3 more media to continue. Now tap on this option, Add Media. And from your mobile phone gallery, you have to select your pics or video which you want to add in this templates. For an example, I am going to my mobile phone gallery and I will select from there. So I selected these pics, and you can see from here, my pictures are already added in my templates and all the effects of the template are working perfectly. Now simply tap on this option, Next, which at the right bottom, and share your post on your Instagram. So by using this method, you can use pre-made templates of Instagram for your post.